Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Notes app and going straight to folders so you see every account. iCloud, Gmail on my iPhone, because hidden notes often live in another inbox. Once there, use the search bar with exact words or attachment types like PDF or image to narrow results quickly. Make sure to open Recently Deleted and the Hidden folder. These are common hiding places. If locked notes aren't showing, check the app settings to reveal locked or protected entries before moving on. Next, authenticate any locked notes with Face ID, Touch ID, or the note's password. Locked content won't appear in results until unlocked, which is why this matters. Once done, log into iCloud. Com and other synced accounts to search there. Sometimes desktop web search surfaces notes the app filters. Use advanced keywords like title or tag and try attachment to target specific files. Also run a Spotlight or Siri search on the device to capture notes the app's interface might be hiding. Finally, recover any notes by moving them to a visible folder and removing hidden status or locks if you need easier access. This prevents repeat disappearance. Before large edits, export important notes to files or email so you have a backup, because sync steps can be unpredictable. If you still can't find notes, toggle iCloud sync off and on, sign out and back into the account, and verify you have enough device storage. These steps fix most synchronization problems and restore missing items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.